Alright, so this is a thrifting find that I found a long time ago. It might have been at a used bookstore. I'm not sure, but I thought it'd be fun to take a look inside because I haven't really used it before. I got it for $2, but it's a book of patterns and instructions for American needlework. A complete manual with step-by-step instructions for recreating 176 early American designs in embroidery, crewel work, cross-stitch, needlepoint, patchwork, applique, quilting, hooking, knitting, crochet, weaving, and candlewicking. Plus a special section in rug making. But look how cool this is. So it has instructions for all different kinds of crafts in it. And I got this probably 12? I want to say 12 years ago. Probably around that. I'm not sure what year this is from. Don't know. I'll have to look inside. Alright, so basically this it's almost like a little drawer it pulls out. It's really cool. Alright, this first little pamphlet is for crochet and knitting. Oh, this is from 1961. Okay. But it's super cool. It has bedspreads. I just thought it'd be fun to take a look. Pinwheel, luncheon cloth. That's really cute. I thought it'd be fun to just kind of take a look at this, but oh, I would like to try filet crochet. I do really want to try that. So maybe we could try one of these designs. This is really pretty with a rose. That's pretty. Spiderweb apron edging. A shrug. Ooh, a bonnet? How fun would that be? Oh my gosh, that has a pattern for a bonnet. Edgings. This was a really cool find. Even back when I was in high school, I was collecting things like this. But I thought it'd be fun to kind of show it off because I've never seen anything like this before. It's beautiful. Shell bedspread. Knitted lace. Anyways, that's like the first little book. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that knitted bonnet. Or actually, I think it was crocheted bonnet. I might have to make that for this winter. This next little booklet thing is kind of folded up, but it's for like needlepoint, like cross stitch work. This is huge. It's like a whole folded up kind of thing. Alright, my chickens might be making a lot of noise, but they're fine. I just checked on them. But look how cool this is. Just unfolded this. Looks like there's like two sheets together. Ooh, I kind of really like this side. Okay, so I like this side more than the other one. I love this little bird. How fun is that? And it shows like you can make this into like a little cushion. How cute. So much fun. Alright, if there's something you'd like me to like take a picture of and put on Pinterest or Instagram or something so you could look at the photo longer, let me know. But this next one is weaving, which I probably won't use. But I guess it gives you like different weaving patterns. I probably won't ever use this. I don't think I'm gonna get into weaving. Okay. This one is for a yarn sewn rug. Oh, that's pretty. So this is on rug making. So this is what this looks like. Interesting. Alright, so this is for hooking. And each square equals, I guess, 2 inches, but I guess this is more of like rug making stuff. Really cool. Alright, so this next booklet kind of thing was called Hawaiian Applique. So there's that. I probably won't ever use this. Alright, this next one is for like patchwork. And I would really love to get into like quilting and stuff. But adding another craft to things I would do. It's a little much. Although I really do like this one. That would be a nice quilt block. I like it. Beautiful bedspread. And then this is what's on the other side. Very cool. Alright, this next one is for like appliques. Really cool. Beautiful blanket right there. And then the other side looks like this. Looks very Captain American-y. So pretty. This blanket is beautiful. I love that one. Alright, this next page is for cross stitching. I love the little house. Oh, and little people are adorable. Very cute. So this is one side of it. Other side has this cute little brick house. Oh, and this is upside down, but it has a cat. How cute. I love it. Okay, I should probably look this up. I don't know what candle wicking is. I've never even heard of it. But this side says candle wicking. Is it like making dots of wax on fabric? That's the only conclusion I can come up with from what I'm seeing here. But I've never heard of candle wicking. Alright, this is another one for candle wicking. Hi, Timmy. Sweet little boy. Which I don't know what candle wicking is yet. I don't know what candle wicking is yet because I've yet to look it up and I have never heard of what that is before. Alright, I've never heard of what crewel work is. Crewel work? But apparently this is crewel work. No idea what that means. I'm gonna have to look some stuff up. I feel like some of these would be like really cool tattoos. I guess it's a type of sewing or needlework, I guess, because this is kind of a collection of needlework things. I've just never heard of crewel work before. Alright, this next one is for embroidery. I love this circle design. Super cute. Some fun inspiration right here. Alright, this is another one for embroidery. As I'm looking at this, I'm like, you know, I really should take up embroidery. I really should take up more, I should, like, quilting and things. Oh my gosh, I have too many craft things that I do already. What is wrong with me? Okay, this is another embroidery one, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this apron. The amount of time it would take to embroider this, it would be significant. That's basically the pattern for embroidering that. That's gorgeous though. If you want like a really amazing statement piece of an apron, gorgeous. And then here's some like shapes. Beautiful. So this one is quilting. I'm gonna save the best for last. I absolutely love this little ship. Oh, how cute is that? See what's so like a little ship design on the quilt that you piece together? That's adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love this so much. Alright, this is another quilting one. Some fun ideas. Very cute. Alright, here's like another Hawaiian applique thing, but I don't think I would ever use this. I don't feel like opening that up. It takes a little bit of time opening these all up. Okay, this might be the last one, which is more appliques. Alright, so this is with more appliques. I really like that one. That one's very cute. Very pretty. Alright, so the publisher of this, like, needlework, American Needlework stuff, it was an American company, publishing company, but in its final days, it was purchased by CBS Publishing, and then it was, like, demolished and, like, absorbed by other publishing companies after that, so it, like, basically disappeared. That was interesting. Okay, well this is gonna be it for this video. I just thought it'd be fun to show this off because I've had it for a long time and I have kind of wanted to look through it and put it to use. But if you're interested in one of these, actually, they're not badly priced on eBay. I just looked it up and there were several available. Of course, they weren't for $2 like I got mine from it was either a thrift store or a used bookstore 12, 13, 14 years ago, something like that. Because I thought it might be cool to pull out someday, and today was that day that I kind of looked at it. There was one for like $16, there were some for like $34. I feel like this $16 is still kind of a steal for this. But you can look on eBay and check it out if you're interested in one of these too. This is not sponsored by eBay. Anyways, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.